In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned digital creator or just beginning your journey with design, this process is straightforward and can yield impressive, professional-looking results. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account. Logging in ensures that your work is saved to your profile, giving you access to it at any time you need. If you're new to Canva, signing up is easy and free, and you'll gain immediate access to a plethora of creative tools and templates. Once you're logged in and ready, direct your attention to the left side menu panel. There you'll see a button marked with + Create. This is your gateway to a world of design possibilities. Click on this button, and a pop-up will appear, offering you various design formats to choose from. Within this pop-up window, scroll down and select social media from the list of options on the left. This will display a range of templates perfectly suited for various social platforms. Look for the canvas specifically sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is an ideal size for creating a seamless photo collage that fits well across most social media feeds, providing a balanced and visually appealing composition. Once you've selected your canvas, it's time to explore the creative tools Canva offers. Head back to the left-hand menu and click on the Elements section. This section is a treasure trove of design elements, including shapes, photos, icons, and much more. But for our purpose, we're going to search for grids by using the search bar at the top. Grids are the framework for your photo collage. They hold your photos in place and make it easy to create a visually pleasing arrangement. After typing grids in the search bar, you'll see various options pop up. Click on See All Grids to explore the full range available. Browse through and choose a grid layout that speaks to your aesthetic and the number of photos you plan to use. With your grid selected, go back to the left side panel and click Uploads. Here, you can drag and drop the photos you want to feature in your collage. The beauty of Canva is in its intuitive design. Simply drag your photos into the spaces within your grid. With each drag, your collage begins to form, transforming from a plan into a beautiful reality. And there you have it, a stunning photo collage created right within Canva. Remember, this is just a basic framework. Feel free to get creative with other Canva tools. You can add text, filters, and even additional design elements to make your collage uniquely yours. Happy designing!